Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to Make.com for automated LinkedIn engagement workflows, detailed guide step by step clearly. Start by opening your preferred web browser. Type in the URL for Make.com in the address bar and press enter. Once the Make.com homepage loads, locate the sign up button, usually found in the top right corner. Click on the sign up button to initiate the registration process. You will be prompted to enter your email address. Type in your preferred email and create a strong password. After filling in your details, click on the Create Account button. Check your email inbox for a verification email from Make.com. Open the email and click on the verification link provided. Once verified, return to the Make.com homepage and log in using your email and password. After logging in, navigate to the dashboard. Look for the Templates section, which is often located on the left sidebar. In the search bar, type LinkedIn Engagement Workflows. Browse through the available templates tailored for LinkedIn automation. Select a template that best fits your needs by clicking on it. Review the details of the selected template to ensure it meets your requirements. Click the Use Template button to start customizing the workflow. You will now see a visual editor for configuring the automation. Follow the on-screen prompts to connect your LinkedIn account to Make.com. Provide the necessary permissions for Make.com to access your LinkedIn data. Customize the workflow according to your preferences, adding or removing steps as needed. Make sure to save your workflow once you are satisfied with the settings. Finally, activate your workflow by clicking the Run button. Your automated LinkedIn engagement workflow is now ready. Monitor the performance of your workflow within the dashboard to make adjustments as necessary. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.